Hello students, welcome back to English class. In today's video, you are going to learn compound nouns. I hope you have learnt what are nouns in your previous class, haven't you? Yes. Noun is a naming word. Nouns are words we use to name persons and other living beings, places, ideas and objects and feelings. Names of persons like Ashok, Swapna, names of other living beings like tiger, parrot, lizard, names of places Hyderabad, Chennai, names of objects like television, refrigerator, names of ideas, intelligence, ability, and names of feelings, sorrow, love, joy. All these are nouns. Let us learn compound nouns. What are these compound nouns? How are these formed? So far, we have seen nouns as single words. Ashok, Hyderabad, love, tiger. Single words. Compound nouns are the words which are formed by combining two or more words. Let us learn with an example. Cupboard. You have seen this word in your lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Cupboard. Cupboard is a compound noun. It is a combination of two words. Cup, board. Cup, board. Cup is a noun. Board is another noun. These two nouns are combined and thus formed compound noun. Did you understand now? Compound noun is a combination of two or more words. It's not a single word. Though there are two words or more than two words, still it is considered as a single noun, a single word. Cupboard, a single word. Though it is a combination of two words, still it is considered as a single noun. We have learnt what are compound nouns. Let us see the three forms of compound nouns. There are three forms. The first one is open or spaced form. In this form, the compound noun is formed by combining two or more words, leaving some space between them. Look at this word, post office. It's a compound noun. It's a combination of two words. It's a combination of two words. Here we can observe some space between these two words. It's an example for spaced compound noun. The next one is hyphenated form. In this form, we can see an hyphen or hyphens between the words. For example, mother-in-law, mother-in-law. It's a combination of three words. These three words are separated using hyphens. This is an example for hyphenated form of compound noun. The third form is closed form, form of compound noun. In this form, neither an hyphen nor space is given between the words. For example, toothbrush. It's a compound noun. It's an example for closed form of compound noun. There is no space given between these two words. Toothbrush. There is no space. And there is no hyphen also. It's an example for closed form of compound noun. There are many combinations of compound nouns. Let us see a few of them. Compound nouns are formed using different combination of words. The first one, noun plus noun combination. Noun plus noun combination. In this combination, two nouns are combined to form a compound noun. Examples for noun plus noun combination are wheelchair. Wheel, chair. Wheel is a noun, chair is also a noun. The next one, football. Foot, a noun, ball, another noun. These are the examples for noun plus noun combination. The second one is adjective plus noun combination. In this combination, an adjective and a noun are combined and thus formed a compound noun. For example, full moon. Full moon. Full is an adjective. Moon is noun. Full moon. It's an example for compound noun. Adjective plus noun combination. Likewise, blackboard. Black is an adjective. Board, noun. This is also an example for adjective plus noun combination. The next one is verb plus noun combination. Examples, washing machine. Washing is a verb. Machine, noun. Swimming pool. Swimming, verb. Pool, noun. Verb plus noun combination. And the next one is noun plus verb combination. Here a noun and a verb are grouped to form a compound noun. Examples, sunrise. Sun is a noun. Rise, a verb. Sunrise. Another one, haircut. Hair, noun. Cut, verb. Noun plus verb combination. So far you have learnt what are compound nouns, the three forms of compound nouns and different combinations which we can use to form compound nouns. I hope you have understood the topic very well. Now open your books and complete the exercise given on this topic, compound nouns. I hope you really enjoyed this video lesson, and we'll meet again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep watching our videos. Thank you.